All right, 0, 1 from number 15 in the textbook, in that section, 0, 1. We're going to do C and D. All right? This is how we convert a repeating decimal to a fraction. This is one way to do it, and it's a good way. It involves a little bit of algebra. Ooh, let's try that. Calligraphic. Yeah. So you let x equal 0.2 repeating. Okay? All right. You let x equal 0.2 repeating. That's what we're trying to solve for. When we get to the end of this, our fraction will be x, the x that we're looking for. Then you ask yourself, how many digits are repeating? Or, how many numbers is this bar over? 1. If the bar is over 1 digit, you multiply by 10. If the bar is over 2 digits, you multiply by 100. If 3 digits are repeating, you multiply by 1,000, and so on. Got the pattern? Okay. So we're going to multiply both sides by 10. When we do that, 0.2 repeating becomes 2.2 repeating. It moves the decimal over 1 place. Okay? Try it. Don't believe me? Punch it in. Type 0.2222222 times 10. If it doesn't become 2.2222222, we have problems. Right, but it should work. Type in 0.2222222 as many times as you feel like it, times 10. It moves the decimal over 1 place. The next thing we do is we subtract one equation from the other. You take your original equation that you had, and you're going to subtract x on one side, while you subtract 0.2 repeating on the other side. Now you might think that's illegal because you're supposed to subtract the same thing on both sides. We did. They are the same thing because we set them equal at the beginning of the problem. You know, you can take away 3 from both sides or divide by 10 on both sides or whatever you want as long as it's the same. They're the same. What is 10x take away 1x? 9x equals 2.2 repeating minus 0.2 repeating. The repeating parts cancel. It's just 2. So it equals 2, and we're almost done. What's next?
You divide 9 on both sides.
Divide both sides by 9. And you get x equals 2 ninths. Done. Type it in. 2 ninths is 0.2 repeating. Okay? So that's a nice, quick way. You'll find a pattern here. 0.4 repeating, it's going to be 4 ninths. And so on. But let's try the 0.35, 35, 35 one over here. I'm going to switch pens. Is everybody okay with that? I'm going to switch pens. Let's try a crayon. Let's see how this goes. Alright, I don't know. Let me go. Okay, so we're going to take the 0.35 one. Nice. And we're going to let x equal 0.35 repeating.
That is sweet.
And every time I get close to that. Okay. So x is 0.35 repeating. Good? What should we multiply both sides by this time? 100. Yep. If 2 digits are repeating, 2 zeros on the multiplier. So 100x equals, it bumps it over 2 decimal places to make 35.35 repeating. This time when you subtract that from both sides, you subtract your original equation from both sides, you're going to take away x from 100x to get what? 99x equals 35.35. We're taking away the repeating part. That's our whole goal, is to get the repeating part to disappear. And it leaves us with 35. So instead of x equaling 2/9 or 3/9, now it's going to be in 90/9 because you had to move it 2 places, and it's 35/90.